Hello and welcome to Gamenblue's tutorial, how to create animated gates using structure blocks. The starting point is a gate I already created before. Now it is time to dig a hole to place a circuit. Inside the hole we place two parallel lanes of 4 structure blocks. Between the structure blocks we place a block of stone. Next, I mark the area to be animated. Therefore, I place structure blocks at the corners. I set the name of each structure block to myGate and activate the mode corner. For each block in the first lane, we change the mode to save, set the structure name to myGate and detect the area to save. If the marked area is correct, we change the name to myGate 0 and save the structure as the initial scene. After saving, don't forget to switch the mode to load. Next, we prepare the gate for the next snapshot. We repeat the steps like for the structure block myGate 0, but the new name to save will be myGate 1. The same steps we repeat for snapshot myGate 2 and myGate 3. For each structure block, we have to set Show Bounding Box off. Now, we repeat a similar scenario for lane 2. I name the structure to myGate without any number and switch to mode Save and press the button Detect. After validation of the detected area, we switch to mode Load and change the name to myGate 3. We do not save the snapshot because it is already existing. The same steps I do for myGate 2, myGate 1 and myGate 0. As platform for the circuit, I add some stones. To animate the saved structures, I place a redstone dust on top of each structure block. On each stone, I place a redstone repeater and activate one redstone tick delay. Next, I add a redstone comparator pointing in direction to the first lane. On the second lane, I extend the redstone wire till the end of the row. In the corner of the first lane, I place a block of stone with a redstone torch on the side in direction to lane 2. Next, I add an additional comparator with direction to the stone. For testing, between the comparators we place an additional block of stone with a redstone lever on top. The next step is to automate the gate if a player is close to it. The next step is to automate the gate if a player is close to it. Instead of the lever, I add a command block between the comparators. First, I add the base command to detect players. Now, I have to add the starting point of the area to detect the player. Therefore, I focus to the block and use the set block command to get the coordinates. The copied values I add into the command and label it with X, Y and Z. Next, I get the coordinates of the second block marking the area. I do it in the same way like for coordinates 1. Temporarily, I store that coordinates inside the command and calculate the distance for each direction. The results are labeled with the X, the Y and the Z. To activate the command block, I set the mode to repeat and always active. Last, we test the functionality and decorate the gate. Enjoy your own automated gate.